Good morning. My name is D. Swaruparani, lecturer in mathematics from GDC Huzurabad. Here is some problem. Here, so prove that grad O is equal to vector O by R. So where vector O is equal to xi plus yj plus zk and R is equal to 1 vector R. So the vector function solution. So here prove that grad R is equal to vector R by R, where R is equal to this position vector R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk and R is equal to vector R mod. So that is the vector function the given vector functions or can be defined as R is equal xi plus yj plus zk. So here R is equal under root x square plus y square plus z square. So square on both sides, square on both sides. So that is R square is equal x square plus y square plus z square. So this is the equation 1. So now equation 1 differentiating with respect to x, y and z. So first equation 1 differentiate with respect to x. So here equation 1 is r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So this equation 1 is differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So that is here 2r dou r by dou x is equal to x. Here y square and z square is constant, the values is 0. So similarly differentiate with respect to y. So here 2 gets cancelled. So dou r by dou x is equal x by r. So similarly, so differentiate with respect to y. So that is 2r dou r by dou y is equal to y. Therefore dou r by dou y is equal y by r. And differentiate with respect to z. So that is 2z dou r by dou z is equal to 2z. So that is dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. So this is the differentiate equation 1 with respect to x, y and z. So now grad r. So grad r is equal I dou r by dou x plus j dou r by dou y plus k dou r by dou z. So this is equal to I here dou r by dou x in value that is x by r plus j dou r by dou y is y by r plus k dou r by dou z is z by r in line. So that is here r is the LCM or 1 by r is get outside. So that is xi plus yj plus zk. So we know that xi plus yj plus zk is equal vector r. So that is vector r by r. So since vector r is equal xi plus yj plus zk. So therefore grad r is equal to vector r by r. So this is the solution. So hence proved. This is so next another one is so So this is the most very important compulsory in examination point of view. So this problem is, so curl means, so prove that del cross A is equal del dot A minus del square A. So this means here del cross A. So that is curl A is equal to grad dot means div. So grad div A minus del square A. So we can prove that. So we can prove that curl del cross A. So del cross A is equal del cross A is equal sigma I cross dou by dou x of del cross A. So here first we take only this del. This is del cross A, similarly like this. So first we take I cross dou by dou x of del cross A. So now we take I cross dou by dou x of del cross A. Here del cross A means again curl A. So this is equal I cross dou by dou x of again I cross dou A by dou x plus j cross dou A by dou y plus k cross dou A by dou z. So next this I cross is multiplying on inside. So that is equal I cross dou by dou x cross dou by dou x cross in low outlook. Just a minute. So I cross dou by dou x is inside. So that is I cross, here I cross dou by dou x, that is dou square A by dou x square plus j cross dou square A by dou x dou y plus k cross dou square A by dou x dou z. So simply first I cross, so curly A means I cross dou A by dou x plus j cross dou A by dou y plus k cross dou A by dou z. Next step I cross dou by dou x is we take inside. So that is I cross, here I cross is inside. So dou square A by dou x square plus j cross, so this dou by dou x is inside, dou square A by dou x dou y plus k cross dou square A by dou x dou z. Next. So write down each term. So that is I cross dou square A by dou x square plus I cross j cross dou square A by dou x dou y plus j cross I cross. So next I cross last term. So that is I cross k cross dou square A by dou x dou z. So this one. So we know that one formula is there. So that is A cross B cross C is equal to A dot C into B minus A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. So this is the formula we can apply in this. So that is A cross B cross C is equal first A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. This one. So like that. So for these terms, this is equal I dot dou square A by dou x square minus into A minus I dot I into. So I dot I value is here 1. I dot I into dou square A by dou x square. So plus next I dot dou square A by dou x dou y into j minus I dot j into, here I dot j value is 0. So I dot j into dou square A by dou x dou y plus last of this one I dot dou square A by dou x dou z into k minus I dot k into dou square A by dou x dou z. So here I dot I value is 1. So remaining these here we can see that I dot j and I dot k. So these values are 0. We know that. So we substitute in this. So that is here is equal I dot dou square A by dou x square mine into I minus, here I dot I is 1. So that is simply we can write as dou square A by dou x square plus I dot dou square A by dou x dou y, into, I will write this here, I can write here j minus, here I dot j is 0. So 0 into something is 0. So this total value is 0. We can neglect this value. Next plus I dot dou square A by dou x dou z into k. So next here also I dot k is 0, 0 into something is 0, so we can neglect this value. So that is we can write as I dot dou square A by dou x square into I. So this is lost we can write. So plus I dot dou square A by dou x dou y into j plus I dot dou square A by dou x square into I plus I dot dou square A by dou x dou y into j. So next plus I dou square A by dou x dou z into k minus, this one is lost we can write. So dou square A by dou x square. So same step, but here dou square A by dou x is right, we can write lost. So now I dou by dou x of I dou a by dou x plus j dou by dou y of I dou a by dou x plus k dou by dou z of I dou a by dou x minus dou square A by dou x square. So we can see that here I dou square A by dou x square into I. So here multiply I into I. So here I is outside. So dou by dou x is outside. I and dou by dou x is outside. So remaining I dou A by dou x. So that is or A. So we take A. So A. So dou A by dou x. Next plus here j is outside and dou by dou is outside. So remaining I dot, so that is dou A by dou x. So similarly here k is outside and dou by dou z is outside. Remaining here dou A by dou x. So I dou A by dou x minus dou square A by dou x square. So this is. So here we can write as, so grad I dou A by dou x minus So I dou by dou x of something plus j dou by dou x something plus k dou by dou z something. So here I dou by dou x of suppose f. So I dou a by dou x plus j dou a by dou y plus k dou a by dou z. So that is grad f. So here grad means well. So grad here f in place of f I dou a by dou x. So we can write as I dou a by dou x minus dou square a by dou x square. So this is the total value of what I cross dou by dou x of del cross a. So value of this one is grad I dou a by dou x minus dou square a by dou x square. So but we have summation. So summation I cross dou by dou x of del cross a, that is curly a is equal summation del, you can write this, I dou a by dou x minus dou square a by dou x square. So we can apply summation these two terms. So that is summation grad, or grad is outside, grad summation I dou a by dou x minus summation dou square a by dou x square. So this is grad. So this is I dou a by dou x plus j dou a by dou y plus k dou a by dou z. That is del dot a minus here minus dou square a by dou x square summation means dou square a by dou x square plus dou square a by dou y square plus dou square a by dou z square. So that is del square a. So therefore del dot a minus del square a. So this is the value of curl a. So that is del cross a is equals grad del dot a minus del square a. So hence it is true. So this is the one. So next another one is solenoidal vector and irrotational vector. Next solenoidal vector. So first solenoidal vector. Suppose B is a vector or f. F is a solenoidal. If it is div f, so div f is equal 0, then here f is called solenoid. F is called solenoid. So when div f is equal 0, then f is called solenoid. Similarly, irrotational vector. Suppose here also f is a one function, then curl f is equal 0, or curl f means del cross f is equal 0, then f is called irrotational. F is called irrotational. Simply, so what, div f is equal 0, then f is called solenoidal, and curl f is equal 0, then it is called irrotational. This is the most important in short question 4 marks. So one problem is we can solve solenoidal vector and irrotational vector. So what is the solenoidal and what is the irrotational? We know that. So one problem, show that f is equal, f is equal y square minus j square plus 3yz minus 2x into I plus 3xz plus 2xy into j plus 3xy minus 2xz plus 2z into k is both solenoidal and irrotational. Is both solenoidal and irrotational. So what is our problem? Show that f is equal y square minus z square plus 3yz minus 2x into I plus 3xz plus 2xy into z plus 3xy minus 2xz plus 2z into k is both solenoidal and irrotational. So what is solenoidal? So that is div f is equal 0, then f is called solenoidal. And irrotational. Irrotational means curl f, that is del cross f is equal 0, then f is called irrotational. Here f is both, that is solenoidal and irrotational. So we can prove that div f and curl f both are 0. So first we can find div f. So div f is equals, so here solution f is equal given that, so given that f is equals y square minus z square plus 3yz minus 2x into I plus 3xz plus 2xy into j plus 3xy minus 2xz plus 2z into k. This is the given vector L. So now first solenoidal means direct. We find div f. So that is div f is equals div f means I dot dou f by dou x plus, or I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. So here I, that is equals, here I dot I is 1, dou by dou x of this one. So dou by dou x of y square minus z square plus 3yz minus 2x plus dou by dou y of this one 3xz plus 2xy plus dou by dou z of 3xy minus 2xz plus 2z. So first with respect to x, here y square is constant and z square is constant, here yz, so only minus 2, so that is minus 2 plus dou by dou y of, so here xz, that is 0, and with respect to y, so 2x plus dou by dou z of, with respect to z, here the value is 0, and with respect to z 2x, and with respect to z, so here 2 is constant, that value is 1, so that is 2. So here plus 2 dou by dou x plus 2x, this is minus 2x, minus 2x. So that is here minus 2 and plus 2 and plus 2x and minus 2x is x cancel. So that is the value is 0. So that is here div f is equal 0. So div f is equal 0, then here f is called what? F is solenoidal. So therefore div f is equal 0. So that is here f is solenoidal. So this is 1. Understood?